Hello friends, my name is Gaurav. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve array-related problems provided by Leetcode.com. If you haven't watched my old videos related to array, it's recommended to check those videos. The link is in the description. So let's start the today's video. Given the array nums of integer, return how many of them contains an even number of digits. So in the example, we see the numbers 12, 345, 2, 6 and 7896. The output is 2. In the explanation, 12 contains 2 digits, even number of digits, 345 contains 3 digits, odd number of digits, 2 contains 1 digit, odd number of digits. So basically we have to calculate how many numbers exist which have even number of digits. So therefore in this examples only 12 and 7896 contain an even number of digits. Okay. In the second example, if we check 555, 901, 482, 1771, the only one digit contain even number of digits. So let's see how we find those numbers. So to solve this problem, we will take first, let's take count variable to calculate how many digits are contained. By default it's 0. Then we go through the for loop. Let's use for each. For int num in nums. This for loop will iterate through each elements in the integer array. Then we actually check here if the number has an even number of digits or not. So if this num is even, we will make this count plus plus. And then in the end we will return this count. Okay, so to make sure the number has an even number of digits, let's make a method, say static bool has even digits. We will use this num here, and this will return actually true or false based on if the number have even number of digits or not. So we will use these methods here and pass the number. So if the number have even number of digits, we will increase the count, and in the end we will return this count variable. Okay, so let's do this has even digits. So how we are going to calculate this? We will count the number of digits by dividing by 10 until the number becomes 0. So let's say in digit count is equal to 0. We will use while loop until this num is not equal to 0. Now we will take this number and divide by equal to 10 and digit count plus plus. Now we'll check if the digit count is even or not by checking digit count. Well, we can return this here. Return digit count mod 2 is equal to 0. So example, if we take the number say 12, we will go through each element. The first number is 12. If we pass the number 12 in the has even digit method, the digit count is by default 0. The number is 12 and it's not equal to 0. So the number is 12 divided by 10, which is, this may represent num is equal to num divided by 10. And this will return, when we divide by 12 divided by 10, is equal to 1, right? And we make the digit count plus plus. So digit count is 1 at that time. The while loop runs again. 1 is not equal to 0. So it's come in the loop again. Then 1 divided by 10 is equal to 0 and digit count plus plus. So digit count becomes 2. And the third time it comes, the num is not equal to 0, which is false. So it will come out of the loop. And then we will check digit count, which is 2 mod 2 is equal to 0. So the 12 has even digit. Now let's run this code and see if it all works fine. So this is judging right now and it's finished. So he take this input and the answer expected 2 and the expected answer is 2. So the code works perfectly fine. Please try to solve this problem any other language like C++ or JavaScript, which is supported by Leetcode. You can check the language you choose here: C++, Java, Python, C, JavaScript, TypeScript, or others. Or if you have any other better solution to solve this problem, enter your code in comment section. I will definitely check and give my heart if the code works perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed the video, please do like the video and share with your friends. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe the channel.